In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Meta Business Manager in just a few simple steps. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, what you want to do is search for Meta for Business in your preferred web browser. Simply type that into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up various results, but make sure you click on the official Meta for Business site to ensure you're in the right place. Once you're on the Meta for Business site, you'll need to log in. You can do this using your email, Facebook, or Instagram account. This flexibility makes it easy to access no matter which platform you're most comfortable with. If you're logging in with Facebook or Instagram, ensure your app is updated and your login credentials are at hand. After successfully logging in, you'll need to access the Meta Business Suite. You can do this by navigating to business.facebook.com. You should see the Business Suite dashboard, which is designed to centralize all your business needs in one place. This is where you can handle various tasks, like scheduling posts, viewing insights, and more, all in an efficient and streamlined manner. Now, you might be wondering, what if you need to access your Ads Manager to create or manage your advertising campaigns? Don't worry, it's all in one place. Head over to the All Tools section within the Business Suite. Here, you'll find the Ads Manager. This tool is essential for setting up ads, monitoring their performance, and making the necessary adjustments to optimize your campaigns. Lastly, managing your business settings is crucial to ensure everything is running smoothly. To do this, navigate to the Business Settings within the Meta Business Suite. Here, you can manage a range of settings to tailor the suite to your business needs, from managing pages and ad accounts to viewing payment information and team access. It's all about making sure the management experience aligns perfectly with your business goals. And there you have it, a quick, easy guide to adding and accessing Meta Business Manager. Remember, having this set up won't just save you time, but it will also offer valuable insights into your business's performance across Meta's platforms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on navigating and maximizing Meta tools for your business success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.